If you want to use magnification on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down and we're gonna go to Accessibility. Then in here, choose Vision Enhancements. And then we need to find the magnification option. There we go. We need to create a shortcut, so I'm gonna tap on this switcher over here to turn it on, and then we need to choose how we want to activate this feature. In my case, I'm gonna use the accessibility button and press OK. So now if I want to start using the magnification, I can just tap on the button that I just created. I can drag by the handle in order to move it around. I should also be able to normally scroll up and down without any issues, and I can drag the zoomed in area however I like. In addition to that, I can keep zooming in or zooming out by using the pinching gesture. And that is pretty much it. Now, in case you cannot scroll while the magnification is enabled, use two fingers to scroll up and down. And you can also use two fingers, I believe, to... Actually, no, we cannot use two fingers to move it around. But yeah, there we go. And if I want to turn off this zoom, I can just tap on the button again. Leave a like and subscribe.